Hello and thank you for joining me today. I'm Caroline, the founder and managing director of Bleyer Bullion. In 2009 I founded Bleyer Bullion, and next month we will be celebrating 15 years in business. Providing top quality customer service is at the heart of everything we do. Our ultimate aim is to equip you, our customers, with the knowledge you need to make your own fully informed decisions. Please read our disclaimer carefully. We do what we can to help you, but ultimately this is your money and the final decision is your responsibility. We are not regulated financial advisors, so please seek whatever advice you need before buying or selling anything. More silver is being used each year than is being dug out of the ground, according to an analyst at Deutsche Bank. In other words, it's running at a supply deficit. Still, there is a vast stock of silver above ground in the form of scrap silver that could easily make its way to the market at the right price. As a result, physical supply and demand is not an issue in the way that it can be for, say, oil. Gold is trading around 84 to 1 at the current time. That compares with a 30-year average of 67 to 1, indicating that it's relatively cheap. Gold is also basically always worth having in your portfolio as a form of disaster insurance and a diversifier in a portfolio. In the next few slides, I'm going to take you through the VAT margin scheme step by step. You may find this referred to by other companies as a special scheme or sometimes incorrectly as VAT-free. It is not. Use of the scheme is optional and does not suit every business. Bleyer was probably the first bullion dealer in the UK to use this method to help its customers save money. If you've bought a second-hand car from a dealer, they may have used the scheme. In our industry, it isn't as popular as it might be because calculating margins and tax has to be done manually, creating more work for bookkeepers. Here I'm going to explain the calculations. Imagine you are buying a silver coin for £26 that has been sold under the margin scheme. The scheme makes it a low tax option as opposed to tax-free. If these were the actual figures, the tax content of your coin would be 3.8% of the total price. If we'd paid a different price or silver went up, the calculations would change. From the buyer's viewpoint, your coin usually costs less than if you'd bought it new. When you come to sell it back to a dealer in good condition, you'd be paid the same as if you'd bought a new one in the first place. So buying pre-owned at discount makes good financial sense. This is how to find margin scheme items on the website. Find the silver drop down, click margin scheme. If you wish, you can change the default sorting. We'll filter out, get rid of all those out of stock items. And now filter to see only bars. And if you're looking for a particular weight, Again, choose your weight, choose the country. There's no point filtering out when you've got a low number of items, because you can see them all in one place and be able to compare like with like. Another way to search is for something specific. So here we have a few margin scheme items. There's 1 ounce Silver Britannia mixed year, monster box, I'll filter that to the show only in stock, and margin scheme. And there they all are. So yeah, you have it. That's how to find something that's in the margin scheme. Know where you are buying and what to expect when you come to sell or exchange. Silver should be part of a diversified portfolio. Save when you buy and take account of tax costs. Be clear on actual cost per gram or ounce. Think about what size pieces will be useful to you later on. And if you put different objects in your shopping cart, you can easily compare them with each other. Any coin that is or becomes sought after can be considered collectible, and collectors are more interested in definition and quality than a pure investor. A proof coin is the highest quality of coin that a mint produces. A graded coin is usually a bullion grade coin that is examined and assessed under very high magnification. There are a couple of different systems that are used. The British grading system is used by the Royal Mint, and the Sheldon scale is a numerical scale that is also used to define quality. You can find silver proofs from the silver category drop-down, and gold proofs and collectibles from the gold drop-down. Everyone has different requirements. Figure out your strategy for purchasing. There is no one system to suit everyone. Decide how much to spend and how often. Work within your budget and understand how price fluctuations are offset against bulk buy. Consider setting aside a regular amount to help you save. Most buyers of precious metals are preppers at heart. The lower price of silver lends itself to becoming a useful token of exchange in the future. Again, decide on what sizes will be most useful to you. Think about how this might manifest itself. You may have cryptocurrencies, gold, or something else as well. So think about what you might use and when you might use it. Track the markets and buy the dips. Silver often lags gold. Get a feel for market trends and understand the spreads and a realistic time to reach your break-even point. Silver investing is not for the short term, but it will give you something of value that you can swap for something else. I hope this has helped to raise your awareness and assist you in making smarter, more informed choices when it comes to buying silver. Thank you for listening, and do get in touch if you need some help from us. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and give us your vote. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.